audio courses, lessons, and audio articles. Everyday new courses and audio articles to learn from. 280 topics, over 15,000 audio files. Learn for free. No time to wait. Get started with your online learning journey.
In this episode about Adventure Tour. Grand Canyon Adventure Tour. Grand Canyon is among the world's most sensational locations. Its unique 1,500 meters deep, 446 kilometers long, and up to 29 kilometers wide canyon, diverse flat surfaces, towers, and hills make it an experience loaded with wonder, awe, and magic for travelers and adventure seekers. The Grand Canyon is just 247 miles north of Phoenix, Arizona, making it a preferred destination for Arizona visitors. Things to see and things to do are numerous at the Grand Canyon. Grand Canyon Experience Tours include traveling down the Colorado River, enabling the chance to see deep into the Grand Canyon's differentiating ravine, viewing the incredible sight of layer upon layer of rock, floating down the river on an expertly guided trip, seeing wildlife surrounded by sandstone, layers of limestone, and shale exhumed by the Colorado River. You may also pick to have that Grand Canyon Adventure Tour by land and experience walking in the footsteps of the ancient individuals and explorers who discovered the Grand Canyon first. You can make your own experience or take a directed trip by walking horseback or on the location's popular Jeep or bus tour. If the land experience does not do it, then experience the Grand Canyon Experience trip on a helicopter or plane. You can fly around towering hills, mesas, and valleys within the Grand Canyon's main gorge, skyrocket over the thick evergreen forests of juniper, or waterless plateaus found with desert plants that are sectioned by old lava streams, igneous rock, and hills of volcanic debris. Taking the Grand Canyon Adventure trip by air is an unforgettable experience with a matchless viewpoint. The middle communities surrounding the Grand Canyon have excellent lodgings for tourists who desire to remain. Grand hotels, lodges, resorts, cabins, holiday rentals, and more are offered. Whether you are elegant, the best lodging, or easy, Grand Canyon accommodations can satisfy that need. And if you've done every adventure and thing to do in the Grand Canyon, the experience doesn't stop there. You can continue with a journey of brand new thrills and explorations just a brief drive away. Places like the beautiful Flagstaff are almost 80 miles southeast, remarkable Sedona is less than 2 hours south, and historical Prescott is just 2 hours south of Sedona. The Valley of the Sun, which is just 4.5 hours drive south of Scottsdale, Phoenix, Cavern Creek, and Carefree, has various activities in store for adventure hunters. Grand Canyon adventure trips consist of taking a trip down the Colorado River, enabling the chance to see deep into the Grand Canyon's differentiating ravine, viewing the remarkable sight of layer upon layer of rock, floating down the river on a skillfully guided trip, witnessing wildlife surrounded by sandstone, layers of limestone, and shale exhumed by the Colorado River. If land adventure doesn't do it, experience the Grand Canyon Experience trip on a helicopter or airplane. Grand hotels, lodges, resorts, cabins, getaway rentals, and more are readily available. Whether you are expensive, perfect lodging, or an easy one, Grand Canyon accommodations can please that requirement.
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Audio content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.